Alright, good night everyone.
Hey.
Nalagi
Good night.
ko ka
Go to
de.
bed.
Nalagi. Ko ka de osu clear. Osu clear ko de no.
Go a day
Con
now.
je se osu clear. Okay. Welcome back everyone. If you're new here, welcome to the Fairfield Clan 427. Okay, this is Paul and Silla. วันนี้แค่แค่นี้ประกอบไว้ได้มีจอวิดีโอ stream กระดอมกระดอพอชอแล้วดอตาละเลยเบมาเฮสลานิโกเวดามีจอมมีจอในปาราทอนยาคันยาโร What about you?
I have my favorite meal, my absolute favorite meal that I love to eat the most. General Tso's combo meal with the fried rice. When I was in Ukraine for a year, I could not eat it. They didn't have it. And if you go to Chinese restaurants, they don't have American Chinese food because you're in Europe, not America.
Okay, I'm ready to eat now.
But
Hungry.
I was missing it for a whole year. But when I came back to America, I went to Fort Bliss. They have a Chinese restaurant with different Chinese food every day. You know, honey garlic,
เบะ
General Tso's, sweet and sour. They had so many different flavors every time I went. And I got 2 choices of meat. So I always got, pick 2 different ones. Sesame seed chicken. It was always good. And I'm good to be back in America. Hopefully, if I go to Asia, they'll have this kind of food too. I don't know if China will actually have Chinese food. So,
I'm
what are
so
you
scared to go to China because of the virus.
Yeah, we're not going to go anytime soon to China.
เลยบุบะ
But hopefully when we get to our travels,
อย่าหาบุญนกคุเลยวะ
it'll all be gone.
แบบอีปีเดียวก็อย่า Well, it might last like a couple years, Jay.
Still plenty to do in America.
Yeah. Cái lele Florida mà, Florida cuối cả.
America's doing what it can to keep the virus out of America. Some cases have been reported in the country. But
I thought they said 30 of them. I did over 30.
so good. Before I moved to Central New York, when I moved here, before I went to Ukraine, I was looking for a good Chinese restaurant because it was hard to find one. You'd go to them and they'd always have something wrong. Someone had too much of the wrong flavor.
Oh, on the news, there's Chinese tourists. They went to Ukraine and Ukraine trying to protest, trying to like blow up the bus.
Wow.
Yeah.
But after a few tries, I found the right Chinese restaurant. I like China Wong. On Aristotelian Boulevard. Niagara Falls, I had a favorite Chinese restaurant. I mentioned this before. They ruined the recipe and they made it too spicy for me.
Was that good? Did you like it? A bigger.
Me? So I like this.
A bigger.
Yeah. And I ordered General Tso's and they made it too spicy, so I tried orange chicken. Orange chicken was the exact same thing. All they did was put orange slices in it. Still too spicy, so couldn't find anything good for me there. I'm sure sesame's just gonna be the same thing with sesame seeds on it.
Sesame seeds good.
That was just when we went there recently for Thanksgiving. So that's when I went over the last summer. Over the summertime, I tried the is when they changed it. But I tried something different. Thanksgiving it was the same. They ruined it still. I guess now when we go back to Niagara Falls, once again, I'm gonna have to be searching for the right Chinese restaurant. I like the Panda restaurant, but we don't have a Panda restaurant here, and we don't have one in Niagara Falls.
They have one in Amherst, in Buffalo.
And I also like the Fort Bliss food court Chinese restaurant.
Fort Bliss where?
Fort Bliss in El
Louisiana?
Paso, Texas. So we're going to teach me today. So I'm sure a lot of people want to hear me try to speak Korean.
Marcela's so amused.
So you're going to teach me what Chinese in Korean? China? What is China in Korean?
Little sour.
Sour?
Little sour.
Little sour? That's how you guys say China?
No.
Chi.
Chi?
Chi means sour, right?
Chi means sour.
And also chi means like urine too. It's like, oh wait, one more thing. You know pee is grandma. Poo poo is grandpa.
That's the best part of the video right there. P means grandma, poo poo means grandpa. That is great. I'm not going to forget that one.
I always remember people.
When you meet my grandmother and it's like pee.
That is a great translation.
I always remember people.
Yeah, I will too.
What's it, Stella?
I said I always remember people.
Now when I see your grandparents, I'm going to tell them that. The ones that hear it speak Korean. Pee pee? Poo poo?
Looks like a hippo collar.
Hippo color?
Her grandma likes to be called Mana. Doesn't like to be called P.
I used to call
No.
Mana. Not poo poo.
No. Poo poo's grandpa.
Poo is grandpa, Stella. Okay. Remember that. Pee is grandma. Okay. Nana is big sister. Victor is big sister.
What was rice? Again? I know you told me rice before. Rice. What was rice?
Me.
Huh?
Me.
Me?
Me.
Me?
For the rice, it's me, right? Me. And then yes, it's like me.
Oh, that's gonna be a tough one for me.
Yes, it's like me, like straight, right? Does it go down or does it go up? But like me, like rice, it's like
It's spicy.
We gotta get a good camera. And do you know a good camera that we should buy? Because
The water camera?
it's a GoPro. Maybe we'll get a GoPro we're thinking about, but this camera we're using here records good when we're doing this kind of video, but it doesn't record so well in the dark. Like the last video that Paul posted, it was kind of dark and the camera just looked like horrible.
You've got to find a camera that are good for like in the dark too.
So, if you guys have any suggestions, you got a good channel where you're recording good stuff yourself, let us know.
So can you review some of the words that I taught you?
Meh.
Face? Meh. Right?
Meta.
Meta. Meta. What else can you teach us? With shrimp.
Yeah.
What is shrimp?
The dog.
Duck.
The dog.
The dog? Like the dog, but with the og.
The dog.
The dog.
The dog.
Shrimp and tuna fish are probably one of the only two seafoods I can handle.
Tuna fish?
I was raised on tuna fish.
That's not.
Tuna fish is normal for me. As a tuna fish sandwich, and I guess that's most for Americans. Americans do it that way anyways.
That looks like pepper skin, but that's the fish skin.
Shrimp is a little hard for me. I had to train myself 10 years ago.
Is this pig skin?
Go for shrimp.
This pig skin,
Not the skin, but pig meat.
pig meat.
Yeah, the
looks
pig meat.
Pig meat looks like hippo skin.
Hippo?
Mm-hmm.
What is it? What is a hippo?
Hippopotamus skin.
Hippopotamus? Let me see your teeth. Your teeth are kind of, like, dance. So what is shrimp again?
The duck. I remember that.
Good
The dog.
job, yay.
The dog.
No, me really?
The dog.
You gotta think of something else that it reminds you of.
No, bigger.
Yeah. I like it very much. My favorite.
You have to say it in Korean.
Okay, how do you say yes?
Me.
Me. How do you say no?
Beba.
Abeba.
Me,
The
abeba.
me back.
Me, abeba.
The me back. No meat the me back. Do this.
And then eat this.
That's fine. You don't finish.
I wonder what the viewers here like to see the most, because when we post videos of us eating like this, we seem to get the most viewers. Or like we're doing a lesson. Karen. We got me and Priscilla. But sometimes it seems when we do like a video separate, like by ourselves, like if it's just Paul or just the kids or just me, it seems like there's less viewers. They want to see all of us together. Or if we're doing something different other than eating, there's less viewers. So you guys just like us.
Traveling video.
You just like to watch us eat and speak Korean. And you can say the same thing. I don't know. You can say that in Korean. what I just said.
Okay, now go there. Hawati edokwa bama wera video pela kala mani da we po wera ta o. Mede me hapa malawala pa kanya kloma. Mede me hapa do video wet lo sotagama yadaga mede me wadaga mede me yipoma. Kona tiba da pela ma kona we tiba pia bwa, leave a comment, you know, in the description box below. So that we know what you guys want. We appreciate you guys so much for supporting us, for like viewing our videos, and so we don't know you guys, but you know, we just appreciate you guys so much.
If you're in Central New York, let us know. We can be friends.
We just want to.
Or if you're stopping by.
We want to make friends. If you live in the Syracuse area, you know, we can meet up too. I like to have friends, you know, some current friends.
You have my rice. Because I did finish it. Are you going to have that chicken? No. Don't be funny.
It's not spicy. You licked up all the spices off of it. It's not spicy anymore.
But they use that in this video because he's sleeping.
Leta ko khase ta nama be ka hal kwere kul ma khone be ti me dal chi wa be le phele na ma be ko dola talo phele be le to phele be le ko dola ma pa den be le Missouri. You want to go to Missouri?
There's a lot of people in Missouri. A lot of Kren people moving to Missouri.
Not much.
So maybe we'll come visit them.
Very few.
Well, it seems to be quite there.
It's not as much. It's not as much the one in Buffalo, and Utica, and in Minnesota.
Doesn't seem like there's that many here. In Utica.
There's many, but you don't really explore, you know. Much. So. So what is shrimp again? What is grandma and grandpa?
P. Poo poo. The D. The da.
Gada. Takula.
Takula tea banana? No.
Takula tibana. Nalage. Kagade. Nalage.
Takula tea banana. I'll tell you that when I meet you. If you want to meet with us, let us know. First add her on Facebook. Then you can...
No, there's a lot of them follow me on Instagram.
Can you message on Instagram? Go. That works for you. Go for Instagram.
Yes, one person did, and then he was like, "Can you guys do? You know how you guys met?"
And we did it.
Yeah. That one almost got 10,000 views in a week. That is a good video. I don't know why that video just kind of blow up. You know, the one with me, you, Silla, we meet that doll. When I came to Bacala, the Bacana Bacala to Podima, to Podico. I went to Madame Galacamo, Bigamo, Hosa. No, I went a little to
Probably because I'm wearing this. When I started wearing this is when we started to get viewers.
Take up Mitanina. Mitanina because I put a Bacana, Guatama, La Fadaso. Never put it off Bacana Akuma, when the Zohama, Tabuama, they sort of let you.
Bah.
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 There you bought.
There you bought.
See, you bought.
You bought.
You purdue.
You Purdue. You Purdue. You Purdue. Click on this button right here.
You have put tea.
You put tea.
You have put tea me the opposite up and you have purdue. You know? Ball.
Ball. You want to see ball? Ball.
Ball. You have purdue.
You Purdue.
Make a song. You have purdue.
You Purdue. You a ball. A ball. You Purdue. You Purdue. You Purdue a ball. You skinny little fatty.
You got a small feet. No chi. No chi. You have purdue. There. You call chi. You chi. You have purdue.
Oh man.
Say it again. You call chi.
You call chi.
You ju chi.
You juchi.
You have purdue.
You pado.
Say it or you.
You call chi. Mm-hmm. You pado. You pado.
So then you have purdue. Say you have purdue.
You pado.
Okay.
They call it in America dad bod. American guys, that's what they have when they have kids.
They're bad?
Dad bod. When the wife gets pregnant, her belly grows, and then the husband's belly grows too.
No.
Except my belly doesn't go away after 9 months.
I'm not lazy.
Am I fat lazy, America? Mm-hmm. Working on it.
Okay, now thanks for watching everybody. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and follow me on the
That button.
Instagram at PGREIG91. So I will put them in the description below because the link is down below.
I have a comedy channel too. It's a video game channel and a board game channel. And it's a comedy. And you subscribe to my channel too.
So go to my channel. I'll put it on the
Is
screen.
my channel gonna be here or is my channel gonna be over here?
Like right there. Right there. I'm gonna put it right there.
In your plate? In her plate. In my plate? In her plate.
If you guys want us to do a comedy, you know, we can do that as well. You know, in the summertime, we're gonna post video every day. So we're gonna do the comedy video, okay?
I'm gonna be off work in the summer, so I got all summer off.
It's gonna be really funny because it's gonna be about us and culture, two different cultures, you know.
It's gonna be about us showing all the parks in Central New York and in Western New York. So we're gonna be doing travels in Western New York and show you all the cool stuff they got there.
Because di biasa kau tu le restaurant mah, tau klate restaurant te, tau quello te mah.
Sorry for us being here the whole time because it's winter and you can't go outside in the winter. You just gotta stay in the house, barricade
Okay,
the doors.
guys. No, okay. So we'll see you guys later. So have a nice night. Bye bye.